Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am so glad you found me. So today's video is one I have been genuinely excited to film because I am talking about something that has completely changed the way I cook at home. I am doing a full honest review of the American Micronic 6.5L Digital Air Fryer. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing because first impressions matter. When the box arrived, I could already tell this was a quality product just from how well it was packed. The black and steel finish is so beautiful in real life, pictures do not do it justice at all. It feels solid and heavy in the best possible way. You can just feel the quality when you hold it. Inside the box you also get the removable basket which clicks in perfectly, and then I found the recipe book tucked inside and I got so excited because I was not expecting that at all. Everything about the unboxing experience felt premium and thoughtful. American Micronic really put care into this product and it shows from the very first moment you open the box. Now let me walk you through all the features because this air fryer is seriously loaded. First, the size. This is 6.5 liters, which is genuinely large. I have a family and I can cook enough for everyone in one single batch. Second, the power. Even 700 watts with rapid air technology. What this means is that superheated air circulates all around your food from every single angle at the same time. So instead of one side being crispy and the other side being pale, everything browns evenly and comes out perfectly golden every single time. Third, the temperature. This goes all the way up to 100 degrees Celsius. That means you can cook literally anything in this. Chicken, fish, pizza, fries, vegetables, even cake. Fourth, the 8 preset menus. There is a preset for fries, for chicken, for fish, for frozen food. You just select what you are making and it automatically sets the perfect temperature and time. No googling, no guessing, no burning anything. Fifth, the 60-minute timer. Set it and walk away. Come back when it beeps and your food is done. And sixth, the removable basket. It slides out so smoothly and cleaning it takes literally 2 minutes. No scrubbing, no soaking, just rinse and done. And sixth, the removable basket. It slides out so smoothly and cleaning it takes literally 2 minutes. No scrubbing, no soaking, just rinse and done. So I tried bread pizza for the first time in air fryer. I loved it how it turned out well. Yummy and crispy. After 20 days, my honest verdict, the American Micronic 6.5L Digital Air Fryer is totally worth it. Amazing food quality, super useful features, stylish design, and it makes cooking easy and fun for the whole family. The Amazon link is in the description, go check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment what you decook first in your air fryer. See you in the next one.